Hello, good afternoon, everybody. Happy weekend to every one of you. I am back again to come and talk about Africa magic. The people that love to do Africa juju, Africa magic. I am Faith Inagbare Osamoyi, public known as Divine Faith Orobosadi, talkative. My lovely people, I say make I advise some people this afternoon or this evening. No be insult o, I no say me I no dey insult person, but I dey tell person truth. But firstly, make I first take this thing back home to Africa, Nigeria, or any part of Africa, country or nation. God bless every one of you. So, my lovely Africa people, una too like juju. True, now they talk. Want to like Africa charm. People dey Africa because say their children or their sister, cousin, brother, wherever, they this Europe. They also they struggle for life, how to make life. Now obviously it just dey easy. Now they go from one abalawo to another abalawo, from one shrine to that shrine, from one alpha to another alpha, from one pastor to another pastor, just for one thing. I know I'm my pikin for make you forget me. I know my sister forget me. I know my brother forget me. I know my cousin forget me. Or my goddaughter or my godson. I don't to help her. I know me forget me. You do juju. You go to Afa. They give you different things to take the bath. You go to pastor. They give you different candle to the burn. Africa. Make I tell you now. Thanks for watching. Make I tell you now. This Europe, they don't pick money for honorary grant. No tree we say if they bring money for this Europe. Una children, both they are 9, they suffer. They look for money, they waka. Una sister, una brother, una cousin, anybody say you get for this Europe, they suffer. That will be say you see they go afar, they go abalawo, they go juju, they go pass or go they burn candle because of one person wey just dey Europe, just they suffer, you they waka. Why you don't use and develop something? You don't use and do something good for your own self. If na work you use and learn, you learn work. If na trade you use and trade, you go find to say trade. If na farm you use and farm, you use that time take farm. But no. And if they go even try guard the money, say give even now before 3 months or 6 months, una go finish the money. Believe say una get one machine say they produce money for this obodo yibo, this abroad, make they bring am come for una. Una juju, una have bad prayer, they frustrate people. When we say he did this side. Africa. Me, I can't advise you now. No say me, I know they insult person. No say this Oyibo, Oyibo, they use their time, their own magic, they create something. Not say they use phone now, they talk. Good evening, thank you. They use phone now, they talk. They see me, I they see you. Would they communicate? They do airplane, they do recorder, they do jets. That's their own magic. But African magic. Now me they hinder people, they destroy people, they bring people down. Now we all know. We don't know pass say me they just they winchi people. Africa they winchi people, they be winchi they winchi people. And what we know how to do be that one. Now only Africa person go stay hunger for days say they do fasting because of one person. Yes, I don't say Africa. He go say pastor go say yeah. Go do fasting because of one person. Because you know, say you want that thing, you want me to bring that person down. Go see why people they use their own, they create, arrange their time, they do better, they do something. But no, Africa una lot to they destroy, not to bring people down from abalawo one to the other. What you talking? Anything we say I do on media, I'm talking out of experience. And if you are my sister, brother, mother, or you close to my relation, if you get this kind of character, let me say because if they talk to me, listen. I don't talk to you. I talk to everybody generally. Because what you they do for una sham, una juju, una this thing, it they affect people. We say he did this side. I say they come for the people say he did this Europe because they do their own day too. But make a fair go for people say that they live for Africa first. You have enough time to do fasting because of one person to go do you do go the bon candle, go 7 junction, 3 junction, then every junction go to do at that time. You feel you can do something good, great for your own self. Say you don't go depend on people say if they did this abroad. If you can do good now, laziness now they cause all these things. We have lazy people everywhere. They're in Nigeria. We have lazy mother, we have lazy father, we have lazy sister, we have lazy brother. We have lazy people everywhere, especially from Edo State. Most of those people, they don't learn work, they don't go school, nothing when they do for their life. They don't believe all this Europe money, prostitution to this Europe money. And that's why I talk. Una believe na see na things don't really change now. That's why we say I when I know come Europe, people when I know say they dey around me. I will tell them to video way. Yahweh winner. Umaje they insult me. They insult me. Say that me she go learn work. But today on corner, no gas money again. Even the shelter when they don't look for work. No gas money to sell for again. You just engage your con life, engage yourself in Europe money, in provision money. All of them refuse to learn work, refuse to go school, refuse to do something. Say it go fit help you in future time. Look at you people now. They wanna go from a balawo to the other. Man, I tell you, this is what they get. All of them, most of them, they don't for threat. Now you better give them food. Now or you bought government, European government, they go down, they pay their house rent. Now they pay their baby food, and they pay everything when they use. Now they see, if they see small give you, now 30 euro, 50 they give you, they even try. Europeans now they feed their own children here. And they feed them. You tell me so now. See now. Opposite is last year. This motor complete 1 year when they pull us say no more human traffic. No more human traffic in those states. Trafficking or traffickers. I know they call it for inside. In those states, most of them know what to use on sense. Make una go learn work. Make una go the farm. Make una first notice when they do with una time. Now see they wait for the Europe money. Now they do African man, they do juju, ogume, sham. From Abalawo to Abalawo, from one pastor to one pastor, from reverend to reverend, from afar to afar, from candle to candle, on the bomb candle everywhere. Go 3 junction, go 4, go 5 junction. Man, I tell you that time, dear people, dear Africans, dear Nigerians, dear those people, you can use that time to do something good for your life. Use that time to create something good for your own life. Use that time to say you did achieve something good for your own life. I'm just advising you people. I am not insulting you. Very soon you can see me. So my phone number, I go change them. I know many people for this Europe from Nigeria. They don't call their own family for years. They don't call. If you sit down and tell you what their family do today, yourself you go for the share tears. They don't call. Thank God say the one if you bomb for inside, marry one man, they lead their life. They not concern family. They don't know whether their own family whether they exist. So if you don't take on time, very soon people will stop calling you people. They will stop picking your calls. They will change their number. They will change your own number. People are still making money in Nigeria. People are building houses in Nigeria. People are making money every day. People, they graduate every day. People, they do freedom every day. For that, they say Africa there. So don't put yourself, don't depend on Europe. Even you are my sister, my brother, don't depend on Europe. I'm telling you, I'm not talking to a particular person. I'm talking to everybody generally. Don't depend on Europe money. People are making money in Nigeria. People are building houses. People, they make money from business, from farm, from different things in Nigeria. Stop being lazy. See, laziness na your sickness. Laziness is a sickness. Stop being lazy. Forget Europe money. Stop Ogugume. Stop Juju. Stop Africa magic. Stop taking your children name, your sister's name, your people name to one pastors. Stop it. It is not good. It is not fair. I pity all of you now. Anyone when you take my name to Juju or pastor, that person he go for straight. I mean they talk. If you take my name, say because say your sister dey Europe, you want make it they send you money, or your pikin just send you money. You for straight. One kobo, you no go see. I will not give you anything because you have your hand. You have to go and work. You have to find something to do with your own life. People, stop being lazy. It is laziness. But I tell you, this prostitution, some people do it out of need. Some people do it out of lazy. Because of laziness. Laziness then makes some people become a prostitute. Yes, laziness. I tell your boy out they don't want to use their hand. They do. Now laziness then makes some people become a prostitute today. That laziness. And some do because of need. That one because of need. But some because of laziness, they believe say how much they will give me in a month. In one night I go fit take am. And that one they work for Europe here. Guess like he go tell me say how much you receive a month. I'll tell them say my salary. Say you dey try show down am money. Money say I go fit get for one night. Now if they receive for 1 month, it say you see get money. You dey try show for Europe, Spain. Yeah, person tell me. Many people they tell me, so they laugh me. Say I go do normal job. I'm gonna be your salary. And that one they build that for Nigeria. I'm gonna be your salary. Today now they are here frustrated. The house they build, they sleep on. Now Spanish government then they give them food, then they give them baby food, then they give everything. European government and they give them everything. They pay their house rent, they pay their bill, they do everything for them. They are feeding on European government money. But then they were laughing me. They can still remember very well how much is your salary. When I tell that, look at what I said, money won't feed me one night. Now you they receive for 1 month. It say you they make money. And that one I want to make money. And that one I want to. And that one I call this only voodoo. Yes, the laziness make people become prostitute. It is just the truth. So I'm not insulting them. I'm just telling them the truth. So don't start depending on them because there is no money again. I'm advising you all. Stop taking their name to Balawo, to Allah, to Juju, to this one, to be praying for you that they say you money. Don't have money. If they have money, they will send. For now, they don't have. Money not there, your hand they get so I'm advising you, people in Africa, there are a lot to do Juju, African magic. Please stop doing Juju. Use your time to create something, do business, farm. Go to school if you want to, go back to school if you want to. Learn skills, do something. Achieve something with your time, something with your life. Forget them. Leave them to live their life, and you still live your life too. People are still making it. People are still making it in Nigeria. They are making money in Nigeria. People are buying ice and business that is in Nigeria or just say Africa. So it's my advice to you all. So make a come for the European way in day. Europe women, especially the Europe women, men still there, but your women and them deserve pass. Today, most of you know they suffer because me faith. I know they pity for now. Muna sorry you, una kuma know me. I know they pity for now. I thought pityness is not there. Because you believe on get money, human trafficking or trafficker money. You marry wrong man. When I say wrong person. Your husband don't know how to work. Your husband he don't even know how to find work. Because of the money those guys were giving to you, then you believe that this money is okay for two of us. On this money, you plan everything. You will build house on that money. You will have children on that money. You will take care of your husband on that money. And the man will sit at home painting and nails, wearing pencil jeans, and sitting in the parlor watching smart TV. But today, most of you are there crying. I don't pity for you. Because you have that time to have a good husband. How can a woman open her own eyes and get married to a lazy man. And most of you will not even do it with juju. You're going to drag man. You see one man will get 6 girlfriends. One man will get 5 girlfriends. Some ladies, some girls even lose their life because they drag for one useless shentro man. So today, so even lose their own life. Then you go Africa, go they do juju because of your fellow woman. They drag people say, you no go fit put food for your own table. Today, most of you are crying and wish me, I can never pity for such people. I don't have pityness for any one of you. Good evening. I don't have anything pity for any one of you. Thank God for European government that is helping you. Pay your bills. Take care of your own children today. Thank God for European government that is giving you food. You turn our men, our youth to lazy man and lazy woman because of prostitution money, because you are a madam, you have guests. You send some to early grave. Some guests or ladies like you because you are dragging one man. Man that can never offer you one plate of food in a day. You are there today crying. Now you became more aggressive. You are angry. You are jealous. You are envy. Now there is enough hatred because you choose wrong. You choose to live a miserable life. It is true. It is a miserable life. My dear friends or my dear sisters here in Europe, you had the opportunity to choose better. You had the opportunity to choose better. I can never marry a man that will not put food in my table. Never. Okay, I would buy clothes, shoes, car, everything. I'm the one that will also pay my own bread price. Then I will not call him my husband. Never. But most of you today, you are in that situation because you choose wrong because of human trafficking money. Then you are crying. Who want to pity for you? Someone like Faith, forget it. I don't do such thing. Very sorry. They do juju to a drag man because of one man. They call Baba. Baba. You call that one. You call Afa. You call pastor. Now they burn candle because of one man. My advice to you too. My advice to all of you now. You say, you did this kind of thing. I bet next time, you get person near you say you want to do that kind of thing again. If you are a drag man, because you're not a drag for you, the drag man, Shentro, we say you don't get help. You know what you're supposed to do? I give you good advice. Make that man make for love you more. Make that man choose you. Make he leave the rest. Not do juju to destroy another person's life. Not do juju to destroy another woman's life, because whatever you sow, that's what you will reap. You have children, my dear. This course, Bible say, in generation upon generation, it could follow the waka. Mostly if you don't born get. If you destroy any woman like you, lady like you, girl like you, because of one man, in one way or the other, you can't go right down, keep on, it must come back to you. But I advise you now, those may be shentro, they don't water. If you need them by force, if you need them by force, do you frustrate the man life? Can I make licky your this thing for that? Yes, you go start for inside your room, the licky. Put them there now. What you call Europe? Call live down. They look for Europe money. You don't get money. They look for gas money. You might African money or madam money. So you frustrate in life. Just lesson. Make the licky your purpose for that. Life they very simple. You don't get right to destroy another person life because of one useless man that cannot put food for your own table. Thank God for European government that's help you people. So it's my advice to you. To you people say those ladies that know how to do Africa sham. And to everybody now, to the female and male, to the boys and the girls, don't be deceived. Juju, it just they exist. Never be deceived. Not allow any money when they say no. Forget that one. No, they exist. Ma tell you. Person say he tell you say forget that one. That person not trust them. Equally pastor, if Paul tell you say forget that one. You know they exist. Run. Because before you run, ask the man, say pastor sir or pastor Mrs. Sorry sir, thank you for watching everybody. Sorry sir, wetin make you dey cast out the demon if you know they exist? Why you dey break every yoke? Why they break us if you know they exist? Dear friends and dear brother and sister, juju nari, if they exist, the way God did, and so juju, they even Bible sit talk. The way God did, juju did. So be very, very careful on the kind of people you are dragging husband or wife with, because people are they are very dangerous and they are very wicked. They be demon. They love the juju. Before your name go the rain for Nigeria, for different baba. Just take for example, there was a day here in Victoria Garcia, Spain. I'm talking from Spain. So I was walking, I entered one Africa store. I wanted to buy something. So a guy walked to me, and so we just greet. And the guy asked me, "What is your name?" I said, "My name is Faith." He said, "How old are you?" I told him. He asked me, "Which month they born you?" I tell him the month of my birth. He said, "Na early, I be the India." I was like, "Okay, bros, why this question?" Early, so he want look at when the glory when I get, the star when I get, when from the moon or from the sun or from the star or from the star. So he want share. He stand with me. They tell me say he want know the kind star when I get. Whether na moon star are they use or na the sun star na they use. Just imagine Africa to Africa. You want know the kind star when I get. I don't rent out for person. Rent one room. I they stay there. Me no know what happen. They take my name to Nigeria to one Celestian. They are the who's star, the glory when I get for this life. The guy come back, come leader, they beg me, say, I beg. He take your name to one Celestian. They tell him the kind star you get. All once they say, my pa will bomb me. They never carry my name, go as which kind star faith gets, my Peking gets. You, Mr. I don't know before, I rent for your hand, they pay you every month. You carry my name to Nigeria to go and ask who's the kind star, the kind glory we say they use. It exists for everywhere, not only Nigeria. But people are here today. They bath with black soap. Here in this show, they send a call for Nigeria. They don't use shampoo. We are using shampoo. They don't use shampoo. They are soap from Nigeria. They for Eva when it was sent from Nigeria. They can't get them. If their cream not use that, if you open their cream, go see something for inside. People are very they are very diabolic. They be demon. So I'm begging every one of you. I have to every one of you. Here in Europe, don't be very, very careful. Be very careful wherever you are. The people you are staying, people around you, very careful. Some people today, for the ladies, man can say advice on now. Listen. Not to say maybe you know in Nigeria, all those which are for Africa, it don't affect you. Boys they will say do one too. Some boys they make love to a woman, they'll do this hand. You know what I mean? This hand like this, they'll put up for their forehead. If you be gay, Nigeria or Europe, they notice if your boyfriend they put up for your forehead, if they make love with you, my dear, now your star, now the guy early guy will collect. They don't do one for them. Or he put this hand like this, he put his hand for inside your mouth. If they make love with you, get be very careful. You already you don't need to be a gunner. I'm talking to you out of experience. I talk on the hide. If they say they like, they should come and arrest me. They go and sue me. I'm talking to you out of experience. Some people love juju. They are very, very, very demon. Say the person they be demon. Now them be. They can kill. Most women are very desperate. Some men too, they want to be rich. The guy asked me for Victoria here. I don't say, maybe they'll tell me come watch the video. He asked me, I tell her, I say, you want to know the glory of the star. When I'm from the moon or from the star. So make her give her the date of my birth, I tell her everything. Me myself, where I stand put, I shock. I'm here today. Many women, many men take my name, Faith, to Nigeria. To Nigeria. But I pity for every one of them. I pity for every one of them. I pity for you all. Because I don't have your time. As you can see, what I'm doing is just gift. Now gift. I know to go school. I'm talking out of experience. Once I to go school, I never brush university one day. Never brush up. I don't even know the most. But I'm talking to you out of experience. Now what in my heart don't see, what in my ear don't hear, and what don't happen to me, personal experience. I say they advise every one of you, be very careful, because I believe you all una get gift, una get talent, and una just be great people. You don't even know what you want to become tomorrow. Many stole their destiny. Many stole their start because of this love making, too much kissing. You don't know what they put. So people go put for the matter they kiss people. They put for inside matter they kiss people. So people before they come sleep with you, they don't use to take bath before they want to sleep with the girl. They collect everything. Say God give that person make it better for this life. They don't collect her. And you go see some people they go to misbehave. They don't want to say where they happen. Man like her, you want be like her. You don't collect everything. Say God give her make it better for this life. So I have advice to every one of you. Be prayerful and be very careful. Juju they exist oh. African magic they exist. Even Oyibo believe on her. Man, I tell you one guess. I was very sick. I go hospital. They check everything with my body. They not see anything. My dear, I don't feel they get up. When one advanced man, he come with me. He say SOS Bukeria. What is that one? He say this one is just witchcraft. No be on ordinary hand. I know if they get up for ground. He tell me say you have to be prayerful. Pray. Yeah, in this Victoria gas test, now yeah for still happen to me. You may day today, you don't know how God take create you. You don't know what you carry on this life. People are just there, envy, jealous. They want to bring you, to destroy you. Your name go day one altar. Your name day one abalawo. Your name day with one afa. Your name day with one prophet. We say they do holy Mecca, holy Grebe, holy Mecca, holy Grebe on top. So, dear friends and dear brothers, before I come out today, I advise every one of you to be very careful. And people in Nigeria, stop taking your children's name, your sister or brother name to wow because of this Europe money. There's no money in Europe. People are suffering here. There's no money. We are begging you. Stop taking your children's name. Stop taking your sister's name. Stop taking them to Babalawo because I didn't go bafaya. If anybody will try to me, they will come and know me. My family member they know me. If you try to me once, wait you go see. Next person advise you, you not go try them again next time because I just they suffer. That one for that one. For those ladies in Europe when they do juju because of man. At me, I don't think say no do juju. Na you concern be. You not concern me because your life your juju they do. But no you take destroy that person life because of man. You that say you take destroy the man life. See, told the guy to mumu okbonu. Don't tell the guy to ibesa. Make on a lick your quick for them. If they happen, we don't see many. You spoil the guy alive. You can't job body licky for them. So you need to keep person, you need to destroy person because of one man. We say he no get that one for una. So for people, my lovely people, all my followers and my friends, please be very careful. Don't be deceived by any more, by any woman, by any pastor. Pastor tell you say, forget them they exist. Say, pastor come, why you go to cast a demon if you know they exist? Why you they break yoke? Why you they deliver people if you know they exist? If they exist, people they do different kind of thing because they want get luck, they want be rich, they want make they want they famous. Maybe now, God forbid, but maybe now God you Christian you be star from heaven. Say you have to reign. People say God tell us okay, you no be star, but you go see dey okay. And he wan become that star by force. Wetin he go do to you? He go collect all everything about you. Asiki, when go say asiki, gbogbo to everything say you dey your body, he go collect am. He go dey use am. You go come to korofo, you to empty drum. Say you no you get any water for the inside. So you go dey wonder say wetin go dey happen? People unless say God come deliver you. Now so you go carry the waka. People go dey say wetin come dey happen? Wetin come dey happen? Nobody know what happen to you. One person don cut everything we say God give you. He don use am say dey better. You're the waka. Nothing come dey again. So we have to be very, very careful. Now my advice now I can't give one. I'm saying I not consult anybody, but it's not good to do uju. Not good to do African magic. Or you both they do their own. They use that better their life, better their own country. So if you get this kind of power for hand, when we say God give unto you, I'm saying God give unto you, you're supposed to use them for good thing. Then repair life, your society, your nation, help people. No use and destroy people. Because I know say it they exist. And for every one of you, we have to be prayerful. Be prayerful. Sometimes fast, once in a week, twice in a week. Pray to God. Pray to God. In darkness, pray. When there is light, pray. In fact, when you are eating, pray. Pray to God. May God allow you enjoy your star. May God allow you enjoy your glory. May people not steal your own glory. May they not see your star. May they not steal everything that God give to you from heaven. May you live to enjoy the fruit of your labor. I pray for every wonderful mothers out there, every wonderful, for all your fathers are the good one. May God allow you all to enjoy the fruit of your labor in Jesus' name. So I have to go now. This my friend is here. In solid faith pastor go say no juju. But if you really know God, then God cannot do you something. Okay. Doctor, if you really know God, they cannot do something. That is true. If you know God, they cannot do us something. God bless you. God bless every one of you. So thank you, my brother Prince Best. Thank you very much. God bless you. So I just have to go now. Be very careful. Even though you are in Europe, they are here. They are here. There are many here in Utara Gasses, Star Hunters. They did many here. Many. Imagine they ask me whether you want to know the kind of star one they use. Not from the moon or from the star. So I call for to your call Nigeria, call person say so that they see her name, see her date of birth. I want to know the star way they use. What a wicked word. So please, my dear people, be very careful. I love every one of you. I have to go now. This week I have many live videos to do, different topic, but because the election of Nigeria, I keep it in next week. Don't forget to join me next week from on Wednesday to Sunday, different topic for the hour or two by faith in Nagbaro Samoyi TV channel on Facebook page again. So I love one of you. Thanks for watching and thanks for coming. God bless you in Jesus' name. Be very careful, please. Friends, parents, be careful. Mother, take care of your children. Father, please keep your children safe. We have star hunters everywhere. May you live to reap. May you all live to enjoy the fruit of your labor. Parents, don't leave your children for stranger. Please keep your children. And dear friends and brothers and sisters, be very careful before you bath for areas where you dey. First, take water, risk everywhere. You get my point? Before you take bathroom bath, carry water. Use and risk everywhere before you go bath. People they use it they bath. It they have for everywhere. Before you say you want bath, pray. I cover this shower with the blood of Jesus. And you take water, you risk everywhere, right? Before you say you want bath. No go carry another person bad luck. I take God beg now. They exit the food everywhere. And for all those madams there, all those human trafficante, we still beg you, please, your juju. The man they use them for or the man we say they chop on money. Leave those guys alone. You don't want to kill or destroy another person because of one man. One man will say he not get here for you. We beg you in the name of God. Take that you use us put the man alive. Make it a leak your purpose for them. You don't need anything. So now what did the man want? Let the man see. Nobody drag husband with you. It's your husband. Just keep it, but don't do juju to destroy another person's life. God bless you. Love you all, my precious people. Stay blessed. See you next Wednesday on the Hour of Truth TV channel on Facebook. Love you. Thanks for watching. Prince, I love you. Thanks for the comment. God bless every one of you. Remember, correction is love. Oh. If I make mistake, you have to correct me. Don't insult me. So if you don't say something, they will say, I go fit talk about am. Drop your comments or just call me, inbox me, put am there. We talk about am. We dey correct ourselves. We dey educate ourselves. We dey teach ourselves sense. Make we for know wetin we dey do. If person die now, they pay me because I no go wetin I wan gain for inside the person die. So if you better, you go teach. I go love you. I see this brother, but I don't see. I admire all those famous people, and they follow them. I'm very happy to see them. So you all, when I see get give, now we see they now we see they famous one day. So I would love to see you all shining in good health. God bless you. Love you, love you. See you next week Wednesday. Bye-bye. Ciao. Awu. Thanks for watching, everyone. God bless you. Go. Bye, my friend. Bye. Ciao. Bye-bye.